In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Minecraft topic validation fast and easy. If you're trying to find out which Minecraft-related topics are worth pursuing, Google Trends is an incredibly useful tool that can provide insights into search trends and audience interest. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, type Google Trends into the search bar and hit Enter. You're looking for the first link that comes up in the search results. Click on that link and it will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Now that you're on the Google Trends site, your next step is to click on the Explore button. This will take you to a section where you can start putting in your own specific queries to see how they're performing. Since we're focusing on Minecraft today, type in a Minecraft-related keyword or topic that you're curious about. This could be things like Minecraft Survival Base, Minecraft Speedrun, or Minecraft Mods. After you type in the keyword, go ahead and press Enter. Next, it's time to set up your filters to ensure that you're getting data that's most relevant to your audience. At the top of the page, you'll see some options to customize your search. First, choose the location you want to focus on. For instance, if your audience is primarily in the United States, or if you want to look at global trends. Then, set the time range to past 12 months, or even past 5 years to get a sense of the trend's consistency. Be sure to select the category Video Games and choose YouTube Search in the search type if you're looking into video content demand specifically, as this will provide more focused results. Now let's dive into analyzing the interest over time graph, which appears on the page. This graph visually represents the interest levels for your chosen topic over your selected time period. If you notice a steady or rising trend, that's a good sign of potential in that topic. On the other hand, if you see sharp declines or a flat line, there might be less interest or demand. Keep an eye out for any seasonal spikes, which might suggest the best times for releasing new content. To deepen your analysis, scroll down to explore related topics and related queries. Here you can toggle between rising and top results. Rising shows you what's currently gaining popularity, while top filters the consistently in-demand queries. This can help you expand your content ideas or narrow down your focus. An additional feature that can be incredibly useful is the plus compare function. By clicking on this, you can add another 2 or 3 similar Minecraft topics to see which one generates more interest or has a more stable performance over time. This comparison can guide you in validating which topics are truly worth your focus. Finally, armed with this data, you're ready to make data-backed decisions on your Minecraft content or project ideas. Look for topics that have consistent or rising interest, high search volumes in your target region, and strong related queries. This way, you can confidently either greenlight or discard specific ideas based on real search trends.